It's your boy J Will back with another video. In this video, I tested out a new product, made a little quick landing page, just threw it together, threw the campaign together. I should have made a video on it, but I didn't. But I'm gonna show you guys the results. We're gonna head right here to Microsoft. As you can see, these are my ads. I only have one click today, 13 impressions. Spent about $3.87. And I made one sale of one click right here. So when it's complete, I earned $179 a day and 34 cents. Of one click, just started this ad last night. So let's head back. Let me see. Keywords. This is only one click. We shouldn't easily know what got us to sell. Search terms. Sony's Complete Supplement is what got us to sell, $3.87. Head on over to our calculator. Come on, calculator. 179 minus 387, about 175 a day in profit. So I'm gonna head back before you guys even think, am I direct linking or not? I'm not direct linking. I actually made a page for it. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Just click on the ad. Here come the page. Song is complete. Just a review. Quick review of the page. Showing the benefits and everything, ingredients. So you click on bow and it sends you to the sales page just like that. And that's how you make the sale. Just wanted to make a quick update video to show you guys that this method works. I'm not teaching you guys nothing that I'm not doing. This method actually works. You actually can make a full-time income off this method if you can get about 5 or 6 campaigns going at once on Microsoft Bing ads. You can for sure make an extra $1,000, $2,000 a week by doing this method. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good day.